Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the 11th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2023. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all Southern creamed corn. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. A great side dish to serve for Thanksgiving. It is next level good. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my corn pudding recipe. And for more Thanksgiving recipes, check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist and my previous video, Old Fashioned Pecan Pie. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your saucepan, your milk, and your fresh corn on the cob sugar, because we're about to cook some cream corn magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep our corn. I have 8 medium-sized corn on the cob. Aren't they gorgeous? So now we're going to cut the niblets off, and we want the milk from the cob. And keep your fingers out the way. Just like that. And then we're going to place them into my bowl. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of my corn niblets, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through cutting my corn niblets. Now we're ready to cook it. Going to pour it into my saucepan. And I remove all the strings from the corn. Now my corn didn't have that much milk in the cob, so I'm just going to add just a little water, not too much. That's good. And into our corn, we're going to add in a half a cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to cover it. And we're going to bring it to a simmer and let it cook for 10 minutes. And while our corn is simmering, let's go ahead and whip up our other ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1 1/4 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And into our evaporated milk, we're going to add in our seasonings. 1 tablespoon each of all-purpose flour and white sugar, kosher salt and white pepper, or you can use black pepper to taste, and a pinch of cayenne pepper to give it a little kick. Give this a quick stir until everything dissolves. So now we're going to set this aside. Alrighty, my friends, it's been 10 minutes, so now we're going to remove the lid. Oh yeah, see how that butter melted? And it's bubbly. So now it's time to add in the milk mixture. Give it a quick stir. Alrighty, so now we're going to cover the pot again. And we're going to let it simmer for 25 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, let's take a look at the corn. Oh, yes. It smells so good. And the sauce is nice and thick. Excellent. And off camera, I removed it from my burner. So now I'm about to pour it into my bowl, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern fresh creamed corn. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. buttery, creamy, and I can taste that kick from the cayenne pepper. It's nice and sweet, and that sauce is wonderful. This cream corn is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Creamed corn-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Thanksgiving.